Okay, hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I think I literally have my morning voice right now, so let's see how long that'll take to go away. Literally sound like a man. Anyways, it's 8 a.m. right now. It's Saturday, February 25th, and I'm actually getting ready to go to the Levi's store here at Perimeter Mall because I was invited to go to their tailor shop in their stores and create some content and get some product and get that whole experience. So I'm really excited. So I decided to vlog that for you guys to kind of bring you guys along on my day. I'm so sad. This is one of my empties for the month. It's so freaking good. It's the Niacinamide Brightening Toner from Good Molecules. There's like 2 other influencers from UGA also, and we're gonna meet them. Like, I'm gonna meet them at the store. So after, I'm going to a friend's house, and she has like a makeup business, so she does makeup on the side for people. So she wanted to do her makeup and get some content out of it. So, and then I curled my hair last night, so that's out of the way, but I'm just gonna fix it up and brush it out because I didn't really do much. Anyways, welcome to the vlog. If you're new here, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below. I'm back on that YouTube grind. Also, I was like trying to think, should I even post my India vlog? Like, knowing myself, Dubai took forever. I can't only imagine India because I was there for longer. I don't even know what footage I have. Right, okay, let's go sit on my bed and watch TikTok. Okay, so it's I think like 9 probably now, but I'm literally watching season 3 of Outer Banks. So freaking good already. I'm like on episode 4, I think. And then we're gonna do our makeup and get ready for the day. I think I'm still gonna watch this, but enjoy the montage of me doing my makeup.
If it's different now, it's easy to sense what's on myself. I knew there was something wrong with you. That's surprise, no, well I know most of the time, but there's something that you aren't saying. So why you?
Okay guys, I just finished my makeup. It's all done. It's currently 9:48, so I'm about to go wake my sister up and get dressed and leave. Okay, so here's what I'm wearing. It's this really like soft sweater. It's my sister's, but it's from Aerie. And I kind of want to get my own, but apparently they don't sell those anymore. Then I'm wearing these vintage Levi's. I think they're the 505 or the 550, I forget. And then my Converse. Literally such a basic fit, but I am off. And my ETA right now, or it's saying it's 49 minutes away. And it's 10:20, so always late as usual, which is so bad, but let's go. Ew! Finally, Hibba, come on, it's 11:05. I'm sorry. We just got to Perimeter. Where? Oh, we just got to Perimeter. The mall opened at 11, and it's 11:10. But we're going to the Levi's store now. And yeah. Okay guys, we're here at the Levi's store now, getting my content. I don't know why I'm kind of digging this. It's a large. Ooh. Oh my god, guys, we have an unlimited budget to shop the Levi's store right now. So it's gonna be fun. Okay guys, so we're here at the Levi's store in Perimeter Mall and we're just shopping around. I'm here with the 2 other influencers from UGA as well, but I don't know where I'm getting overwhelmed. There's too many things everywhere. You guys want to say hi to the vlog? Hi, vlog.
So we're hitting Levi's.
I know. Let's see how much we spend.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I would love that actually. Okay, here's mine. I saw what you did for basics too. That was really good.
Okay.
Kind of like the basic pieces, but kind of elevating them, and more on like the modest side of fashion in a sense. So like not too like revealing clothes kind of thing. Yeah,
like,
lots of like pops of color, statements.
Okay. Like classy chic with a pop.
Yes. Okay, so I think I finally picked the fit that I wanted. It's giving like St. Patrick's Day March, but these are the Levi's ribcage white jeans with this like crochet top, and I'm obsessed with it. But yeah, I know you guys probably have seen me in my other one, but this is just like really good quality. It was a mess in here also, but we cleaned it up. We tidied it up for them. This is so cool. What the heck? Now I'm gonna go get some more content.
Can I set this up on you?
Yeah. I don't know if it'll fall. Is it gonna?
Let's go.
Okay.
Know when you're ready. I'm ready when you are. You have that open on 3, right? Yeah. Honestly, if you want to go ahead and just press start, you can. Okay. Yeah. 1.
Wait, we're so insane.
Mason came out first this time. Okay.
I got you. Yeah, so what was your experience here shopping at Levi's today?
I had the best time ever.
Yeah.
I am from a really small town where
Oh, okay.
Levi's stores are few and far between.
Right.
So coming to the perimeter mall is super cool.
There we go. What about you, Alex?
I had such a great time coming in here. Getting styled by Corey was so much fun.
Oh yes.
Hey, Corey.
There we go.
Yes. Thank you so much. It was so great. We had a great time, getting to know each other too.
Oh yeah, literally.
Besties.
Yes, this was so
God,
much
look at
fun. Next step, tailor shop.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Actually, no, I'm down to send an email. Okay, guys, I'm leaving the mall now. Oh my god, there's some guy playing the piano right here. Got my Levi's bag full of stuff. I'll give you a little haul of what I got if you haven't seen already in the shots. But this was so much fun. Now I'm hungry, I'm gonna get some food. Let's go. Bruh, I'm so hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm gonna die. Like, we're sitting in silence. Guys, I just spent $17 at McDonald's. We're in this drive-thru. Can you hold the vlog? Are we getting it? I'm so excited.
Can't think right now.
I can't
Cut
think
my
either.
gum, bro. Hurt.
Are there ranches in the bag? The ranch?
Yes, it is.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a good one.
The ranch.
Look out of here. Oh.
Look at this. Look at this.
Wait a minute. How do you know?
I don't know what they're looking at.
Oh my god. Why is this shit not going on?
Okay.
Oh my god.
Goodbye. It's tricky, guys.
Oh my god.
Big end of shit.
I will calm down. Get my makeup done. Look at this. Okay guys, after a long period of time, it's 5:23 and I just got my makeup done. I will post the clip I got.
You took the lips off.
Oh, I did take the lips off because I'm going to a freaking Gastricaldi thing. Dude!
Looks so weird without the lip.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna put my Tarte Maracuja on.
Do it right now. You already sound like that. You look like, you know the TikTok filter?
Yeah, I literally look like that TikTok filter when she
The
put
new
it
one.
on. Yeah! Yeah. Honestly, there was no point in you coming.
What did I say?
Where are you
You're
going?
like, you're so mean.
Where are you going? Okay guys, we're here at Gas South after forever. I'm in freaking full glam right now. And then there's these two idiots.
How many idiots?
Yes.
This Abaya is really nice. Thanks. My mom stole it from me and wore it to the mom. Wait, is this like German?
What's beeping, guys?
Shut up, there's not a bomb in here.
What? You can't say that. Anyways, there's too many people I know here, so I'm gonna literally leave. Why am I walking around with lashes on?
Yeah, literally, that's what she's here.
Wait, but you don't.
That's all I do.
You want to talk shit about something?
I didn't.
Oh, and this is
No, we are the YouTube channel. Oh, no, yeah, she does.
Can we shit talk us
But how
up?
are we supposed to shit talk if you're only showing a lead? What's she gonna say?
I don't know. She started looking at herself. Like, what is this?
Oh, it was recording?
Why did you dress like a whore for Gandhi?
Because
what
Sarah's trying to find a husband. She can't find a job.
Oh yeah, because she can't.
Oh, she just texted me.
What else did you tell her?
That's what she said.
What else? Okay,
What's the Mario
okay,
brush?
wait. I already told Sarah about this, but
said it makes it look more
couldn't you
natural.
find one better picture, like any better picture?
Okay,
She
this is
just likes
giving
that
fan
picture
behavior.
because this one.
Yeah,
This is giving Hailey Bieber Selena Gomez.
Why? What's
Like,
which
why are you
one am
pulling
I?
up her
No, because
Hailey Bieber.
oh.
Okay, so it's like 11 something now and I just got back home. I'm so tired and I can't. Let's just do this on camera because I literally can't. I've never wanted to do that so badly in my life. But yeah, thanks for joining and coming along in this vlog. Wow. We're filming so much, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for the Levi's content that I filmed, and it was so cool meeting Alec and Mason, so that was a lot of fun. And even though we had a lot of miscommunication in the beginning, it ended up all right, you know? Levi's haul. Okay, lighting sucks, but
I look like a Roblox character.
okay, so here are the jeans I got. These are the 50190s, and they have two like knee rips, but they're so freaking good and they fit so well. I got the, what are these? These are the ribcage ankle, straight ankle, and they're like a white, and honestly, like I don't even know the material of this, but it's so comfortable. I got this green like crochet sweater and I'm obsessed. It looks so good. It's like such a perfect like chunk. That's my little haul to show you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're new here, of course. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm trying to be really consistent with YouTube this year, so let's make it a goal, you know? Lots of UGA content before I graduate in May, which is so sad. But yeah. Oh my god, bro. Oh, this should be a freaking ad. Did you just see how that wiped away? I'll see you guys in the next video. This looks so crazy. Okay, bye.
That's facts. Big blue bills in the bank, let's chat.